Welcome to Best Buy. Are you looking for a best women's watches under $200? Watch the video and get some idea about King Hoon brand's best watch. If you're looking for a high-quality women's watch, then King Hoon brand's women's watch is a great choice for you. More than 1,300 persons have already bought this watch and their review shows that the watch is really excellent. This watch has analog display. Its body is made of stainless steel and zinc alloy and its band material is leather. This watch band width is 20 mm, band length is 22 cm and case thickness is 7 mm. You can choose your color from 20 different colors. I recommend this watch to everyone because the watch has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. This watch is waterproof, so it won't be damaged in case it is soaked in rainwater. It supports cold shower and swim. But don't operate watch when underwater. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a decent watch and don't want to invest much money. More than 1,300 persons have already bought this watch and their review shows that the watch is really excellent. So, we think this watch is the best for you. You won't find such a good watch at such a low price. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.